Supercomputers. Are we up? I think we're up. Hey! Wow, it has been a long time, I think, since I've created a video and thrown it up on our YouTube channel. So, sorry for the delay. I have been busy, per usual, getting some stuff taken care of. As you can see, behind me, I'm going to look at my screen here. We're in a new studio, new office space. Yeah. I'll give you guys a little tour in another video. But for now, I just really quick wanted to get something on the channel for some content. So today we had a customer drop a laptop off, and so here we're going to take a look at this laptop. It's having an issue. This is a I'll throw it up on the screen too, but it's a Dell Inspiron or Inspiron. It's a decent laptop. It's a good size, probably 15 plus inches. So yeah, customer dropped this off for us today. The problem is that when you try to turn it on, it just dies right away. So she's thinking that it's the battery. She actually already had a battery ordered, so we are going to just try to probably replace the battery and see how it goes. There's a couple things that are going through my head when it comes to what I'm seeing with this. So first of all, what's kind of disappointing is that there are no indicator lights on this laptop that shows that it's charging. So what's kind of bad about that, or what's difficult about that, is that I can't tell if just by plugging it in if there's something wrong with the jack or if there's something wrong with the battery. If there were a charging light, I could very, very easily, wiggle the jack and see if the light goes on and off, on and off, on and off. Then that would tell me that there's a charging port issue, or it's a problem with the charger. She did give me an extra charger. She gave me an extra battery. She even went ahead and ordered the individual little jacks. Well, it came in a 2-pack, but here, I'll grab it quick. So this is the piece. It's actually a 2-pack. She ordered it just straight from Amazon, and honestly, it looks like it'd be pretty easy to swap out because it looks like it's just screwed on. Sorry if my there. Looks like it's just a single screw. I don't know. We'll take a look at it when we open this thing up. Just with the way that the computer's acting, though, it's consistently turning on. No matter, as I'm jiggling the jack, as I'm starting it up, it's consistently turning on. So I'm really suspecting that it's probably something to do with the battery, that the battery is just so bad that it's not holding a charge at all. And yeah, so I anticipate that once we change out this battery, that this thing will work just fine. But another thing too is, sorry for the quality here on the repair video. I'm not going to have the top down like I usually do with my GoPro. I went to go get out my GoPro right before this video and found out that it was dead. I hadn't found it yet since we moved. So this was the first day since we moved. So that's dead. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a top down using this guy right here, my tripod with the camera that you're looking at me through now. And then, like I said, we're going to have a video in the future here pretty soon of just kind of a tour of the studio space. I finally have it somewhat presentable. I didn't want to record it while it was just it was a mess. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into the repair. All right, we are done, at least for now. If you were watching very carefully, you might have noticed that I left one of the screws out, and that was because one of the little standoffs underneath, the little plastic pieces that hold the standoff, the metal standoff in place where the screw goes in, actually broke. So all it was doing was spinning, and when that happens, you can't screw the screw in, and if you do get the screw in, sometimes you can't get it back out again, which can be an issue, and then you have to break it, and if you want to get the laptop case open again. So what I ended up doing was I took a little bit of super glue, as you may have seen, and just put a little dab on the standoff to try to super glue it back into place. So I'm waiting for that to dry. I put all the other screws in place, and we're charging it up. And as you may have seen, it wasn't just the battery. After we put the battery in, the laptop did boot up, but that was mostly because that battery had about a 30% charge already, whereas the other battery that we were using, the first battery that we took out, was probably at 0% life because it wasn't able to charge. Now, that old battery is probably still good if I had to bet, but the customer that we were working with wanted the battery replaced regardless of what the verdict was on the repair. So this is the power jack, and it's a pretty simple power jack. What I like about these is that they have this little connector on here. Rather than soldering the power jack right to the motherboard, it's just connected with this little plug, and that was pretty easy to get to pull out, and then also to reroute the cable for the new one and plug the new one in. It was a pretty simple repair. It can be kind of tedious sometimes because you got all of these different ribbon cables that are holding the laptop motherboard in place. And if you accidentally twist, turn, or forget to unplug a ribbon cable, that can cause a lot more damage to the laptop or whatever it is that you're repairing, whatever has the ribbon cables. So, yeah, we're just going to let that thing sit and charge. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you are interested in seeing any more of our content, please visit us at our Facebook links. All of the links will be in the description below. You can also go to our website, which is right down at the bottom here, supercomputers.com. If you have any questions or are looking for a PC gaming build or just a laptop repair of some sort, or just want a video game or do something like that, feel free to drop us a line. And feel free to check out our Twitch channel, again, in the description below, twitch.tv/Superman TV, something like that. Yeah, it's down in the description. So yeah, thanks again. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Please subscribe. Tell your friends. That'd be awesome. Thank you so much, and have a super day. Woo! The supercomputers.